Hi. All right, so time to do a little exploring. And first, we are heading out into the Central Park area. That's so we're going to do a quick walk through Central Park area. It is nice that you can actually hear birds. There's the 150 Central Park. That is one of the specialty restaurants. The opening here for the Rising Tides. I don't know if we can look down there and see it. Pretty big lines of guest service already. Hopefully the microphone's picking up the bird sounds. It's growing right up the side of the ship. You have Giovanni's Table is down here. There's a picture studio down here. I think the bird noises really make it really feel like you're in a park. Because I don't see any birds, but boy, I sure hear them. I'm pretty sure it's piped in. But you can see the inside facing balconies. Take a look down here.
Guest safety briefing. We ask you stop what you're doing at this time and proceed directly to your assembly station. We would like to remind everyone this safety briefing is mandatory for all guests on board to sail with us today. So once again, please take care of this as soon as patient before we are even allowed to sail this afternoon. So once again, remember, the sooner you check in, the sooner you can on back to your incredible cruise vacation.
All right, so that was them letting them know that we still have to do the mandatory muster drill. Some folks have not done it, but we are out here on the boardwalk now. You got the Candy Beach Suites, Pinwheels. Over here is the hot dog house. Get amusement games, so that'd be the arcade. You got Sabors. You got Johnny Rockets. All out here on the boardwalk. You have the Aqua Theater. The rock climbing wall. More interior facing balconies. Up there, that is the back of the Windjammer Buffet. And another rock climbing wall.